Friends, now we learn about another important topic, that is organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, another important basic concept, that is attacking species or attacking reagents, or these attacking species or attacking reagents which helps in the organic reaction to give you a new product. Okay, now we are going to discussing about this attacking species or attacking reagents. These attacking species or reagents can be classified into three categories. Those are free radicals, first one is free radical, another one is electrophile, and another one is third one, that is nucleophile. Okay, these are the classification of attacking species or reagent. Now free radical we have already done in the breaking of bond, that is homolytic fission. We are already taking place this free radical. Now I can explain only electrophile and nucleophile. Now we are discussing about electrophile, that is, what is electrophile? What is the definition of electrophile? Electrophile is a reagent or one of the attacking species which helps in the organic reaction. What is electrophile? Electrophile is a reagent which can accept a pair of electrons in a reaction. Because of this electrophile having a deficient, electron deficient species, which this electrophile which is denoted with capital E and with plus charge. Okay, what is electrophile? Electrophile is a reagent which can accept a pair of electron in the reaction. That reagent is known as electrophile. Electrophile which is denoted by capital E with positive charge, and this electrophile this electrophile is also called as electron deficient center or electron deficient species, and this electrophile means electron loving. Okay, this electrophile means electron loving, and this electrophile can be classified into two categories. This electrophile can be classified into two categories. Those are positively charged electrophile, positively charged electrophile, positively charged electrophile, positively charged electrophile, and neutral charge or neutral electrophile. Okay, this electrophile can be classified into two categories. Those are positively charged electrophile and neutral electrophiles. Positively charged electrophile, for examples, H plus, chlorine, bromine ions, and for example another important electrophile, this is NO2 plus. These are the positive electrophiles. Another electrophile, that is neutral electrophiles, for examples AlCl3 and BF3 and SO2. These are the neutral electrophiles. These are the positive electrophiles. These are the neutral electrophiles. Electrophiles having a electron deficient species. These are the positive charge here, electron deficient species. These are positively charged electrophile. Okay, here neutral electrophile, there is no positive charge and there is no any electron deficient, but it has a neutral electrophile. Why we are called as these are neutral electrophile? Aluminum chloride, for example, you can take aluminum chloride. For example, we can take one of the example in neutral electrophile, AlCl3. What is the structure of AlCl3? Trigonal planar is the AlCl3 structure. This is the trigonal planar. Okay, in this aluminum chloride, in this aluminum trichloride, valency of electrons is 6 electrons. Valency of electrons 2, 2, 2. there is 6 electrons in valency of electrons in aluminum. It is incomplete octet. So it is a deficient pair of electrons. This aluminum has a deficient, so it acts as a electrophile. In this electrophile, some exceptions cases, those are exceptions. What are the exception cases? For example, sodium ion. This is the electrophile? No, this is not an electrophile because of, for example, sodium electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Okay, Na plus electronic configuration. Outermost electronic configuration, there is a 8 electrons already fulfilled its octet, so there is no any deficient, so it acts as a it does not act as a electrophile. Okay, this is the one of the exception. And another exception, ammonium ion, NH4 plus ion. Okay, this is also a exception case because of it has fully filled octet rule, that is 8 electrons already filled in the outermost electronic configuration, so it does not act as a does not act as a electrophile. These are the exceptions cases in attacking species, that is electrophile. Okay, almost this is the electrophile. Next I can explain about nucleophile. Now nucleophile, second type of attacking species, that is nucleophile reagent. Second reagent, nucleophile. What is the definition of nucleophile? Okay, nucleophile is a reagent which can donate an electron pair in the organic reaction. That reagent is called as nucleophile, and this nucleophile, which can denoted with N, capital N, small u with minus charge. This is the symbol of, or which is denoted by nucleophile with capital N, small u, minus charge. Okay, this is the nucleophile. And nucleophile is also called as electron rich species. Nucleophile means nucleus loving. Okay, nucleophile means nucleus loving, and nucleophile is also called as electron rich center because of it has more electrons to donate electrons in the organic reaction. This is the electrophile. Electrophile can be classified into two categories. Those are negatively charged nucleophiles, negatively charged nucleophiles, negatively charged nucleophiles, and neutral nucleophiles. Okay, in negatively charged nucleophile, in negatively charged nucleophiles, for examples, what are the examples of nucleophiles? For examples, H minus and X minus. X minus, that is nothing but X equal to fluorine halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. And another examples, OH minus. These are the some examples of negatively charged nucleophiles. Another type of nucleophile, that is neutral nucleophiles. Neutral nucleophiles. For example, in the neutral nucleophiles, for example, ammonia NH3, nitrogen having a lone pair, and RNH2. And another example in a neutral nucleophile, that is, for example, H2O, water having a lone pair of electrons. These are the some examples of neutral nucleophiles. Okay, this is the nucleophile. Here neutral nucleophiles having a lone pair. Okay, it readily to donate a pair of electrons in the neutral nucleophiles. We are seeing in the lone pair of electrons. Pair of electrons having a neutral nucleophiles. These are the Are you understand this nucleophile reagent? Okay, are you understand these attacking species or attacking reagents in the organic reactions which helps in the organic reaction to get a new product in the organic reactions? Okay, are you understand this concept, that is attacking species or attacking reagents? Thank you.